I'm staying here.
Your terms.
What's up?
You think Oprah's hot?
What? Are you kidding me? Why are you looking at pictures of Oprah?
I don't know. I just saw her on the internet. And she's kind of hot.
She's not hot.
You don't think she's like a little bit hot?
I mean, I think she's nice. She does good things. She's not hot.
How's your eye?
It's not my eye that's bothering me. How can we live like this? How can anybody live like
Oh,
Who would you rather, Oprah or Natalie
this? I
Portman?
understand that whatever I do is going to
There's not a question there, Natalie Portman.
I don't want you to get hurt.
Have you seen these pictures?
protect you.
I think I'd pick Oprah.
Let me see. I'd give her a go.